Meaning of gravy.
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 Gravy. Gravy is a sauce made from the juices of cooked meat, usually mixed with flour or another thickening agent and often seasoned with herbs and spices. It is typically served alongside meat dishes such as beef, pork, or turkey, and can also be used as a flavor enhancer in soups, stews, and casseroles. The taste and texture of gravy can vary depending on the type of meat used and the additional seasonings added. Overall, gravy is a versatile and flavorful addition to many savory meals.